You guys, it is my favorite day. You wanna know why? Because it's pizza day. Fleischmann's has an amazing recipe for thick crust pizza. It's so simple and so delicious, you may never wanna order in pizza ever again. We start by making a soft dough using Fleischmann's quick rise yeast. So how do you know if your dough is the right consistency? This dough is too sticky. It's really wet and it's literally sticking to my hands. You're gonna wanna add more flour to this to get it to soft dough stage. This is a soft dough. It's smooth, holds together easily, and is just slightly sticky to the touch. Knead your dough, let it rest for 10 minutes, and then form it into a circle. And pre-bake it for 10 minutes. Then take it out of the oven, top it with your favorite sauce and toppings, and bake it again for 10 to 13 minutes. And now you have a hot, fresh, and tasty pizza straight out of your own oven. Easy peasy and oh so cheesy. For the full recipe, visit makegood.ca/breadlove. It's pizza time!